Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can speed up your videos in the CapCut PC. So in here, I have a 14 seconds long video and I want to make it faster or shorter by speeding it up. So what you need to do is just click on a clip and add to speed at the top, and then in here under the standard you can just swipe the speed to the right like this, so it will automatically shorten the duration, or you can also just write the durations that you want. So before it is 14 seconds, I'm going to go with 5 seconds only like this, and here you can choose to keep the page or not, and just like that. Now it will speed up the video. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.